What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another product review as well as a service location review. Recently, one of the biggest buzz in the accessory industry for Teslas is the dash display. These have been out for a few years, and one of the biggest complaints that Tesla owners complain about is the fact that these little displays that fit on your steering wheel, it blocks airflow. But I wanted to go ahead and introduce you guys to a new product from TesStudio. They are also the service company that installs these as well, located in Tustin, California. A few weeks ago, I had done a video on YouTube, which was a short that displayed this product from the company. And today, what I'd like to go ahead and do is just show a little more in-depth about the installation that TesStudio does for the product. Once again, it's the newest 9-inch display that is integrated, and unlike some of the older displays that's just a simple kind of a flat panel display that sits on the steering wheel, this product is actually integrated, and you'll see what I mean. It's very reminiscent of the Model S as well as the Model X. So that way, seems like it's more in tune with the flow of the vehicle. What I really like about this display is it has CarPlay, Android Auto, and the huge game changer, it has airflow vents that flow airflow from your center console up and into your face. Unlike the older ones that completely block it, you have no restrictions with airflow. What I will go ahead and cover is the process that TesStudio does to go through the installation for you. This product is also available in a front view camera, which TesStudio did install with the Model Y here as well, and I will show you guys how it looks. In a nutshell, it is awesome. So without further ado, let's go ahead. We're going to dive right in with this TesStudio install of the integrated 9-inch display in the Model Y. We're going to take a look at the screen, and as you can tell, it has a beautiful anti-glare coating on it and is well integrated in its design. The staff at TesStudio is now preparing my vehicle by removing my aftermarket screen as well as the trim. Here you can see that they are carefully removing the wiring that went to the aftermarket unit in preparation to adding on the new unit. The staff carefully removes the trim from the vehicle. The right lower panel does need to be removed. Next, the staff member runs the wiring through the little grooves in the dash so that we can go ahead and mount the screen onto the dash and into its respective position. The little stalks that is underneath the new screen goes right into the little slots on the dash. Here is what the screen will look like mounted on the dash trim. While one installer is working on the setup on the dash, the other one is removing the front bin to run the wiring for the camera. With everything tested and working, the installers are now putting the completed trim back into the vehicle. Here, the TesStudio staff is testing the front camera, and as you can see, it works excellent. This is a quick test of the CarPlay and Android Auto, which works perfect. Here is the moment of truth test where we are testing airflow, and that was at level 4. I can feel it at my face. Now we're looking at level 10, and you can see how much airflow this thing puts out. It is a game changer. With the newest 9-inch integrated display installed in the Model Y, I'd like to see if it is disappointing to you guys in terms of what you have seen so far. In my opinion, I think it is a great product. Love the fact that it's got airflow. So that way in the hot summer months, you've got that nice AC blowing on you. And then of course on the colder months, you have that warming heat effect where the screen no longer blocks airflow. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Make sure you leave a comment below. Now, if you are interested in having it installed by TesStudio, I will drop a link below in the description so that you can order directly from them and to have them install the screen as well as the front-facing camera. I do want to go ahead and thank you once again for stopping by, checking out another video of mine in conjunction with TesStudio's install. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, as it does show me some appreciation so that I can go ahead, continue to do more videos like this. And if you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are so close to getting to 10,000 subscribers. I have a little bit of more work to do, but I know we're going to eventually get there. So thank you so much with the support of this channel. Until the very next time, my automotive fanatic family, this is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off.